Talk to you crazy.
With Misty, I have to follow her around. She keeps getting stuck in weird places.
Oh, sorry. Oh, we're really lucky.
Again, this is an ongoing issue. We are working with police to see what is being done. I'm actually have a dog on my ankles here really